Welcome to the Bossiest Podcast, where the voice is loud and the reason is raw. You see, consistency, that are the aim of the game. Yeah? People, if you don't realize, me I take this thing very serious.
I are the one, and they are the two.
Some side dead today. We are out here. I have my ticket and we're ready to go. Blood clot! Blood clot! Walk on! Walk on! Walk on, you walk on! See you! See you, come on! See you! Oh, stop on here, y'all. Shrimp from yard. Yes!
Chelsea on this brother, follow the blood club. Arsenal, yeah? Out to some boy.
Look at my bomb clot side. Lakanga, you're not good.
Leadership, I think he's going to bring some additional goals. Do I think he's a Cristiano Ronaldo? Maybe that, who knows?
People, this is the kind of people who make Arsenal supporters look bad. Him is the reason why people laugh off away every bumbleclot week. Me ask you about Gabriel Jesus. What you mean him maybe not Cristiano Ronaldo? Him is definitely most positively not Cristiano Ronaldo.
Fire, how much do you think Islander get today?
So first of all, this man say bumbleclot for no reason at all. And then just stares magically off in the sunset, waiting for something to say to me. No, I don't know what was going through this man's mind in this specific moment, but he started off with a bumbleclot and we had a pause.
Three love. Yeah, man. Yeah, I feel like we can score more. You can score more. Big up Ramsdale. We don't know which deal they ram, but I never me. Come in, El Nene. Come back and get here with the tap in. And that here come blood clot upon the field. One that. Come on, you gunner! Tavares, you can't mark one little MLS baller. MLS baller, do the man that enough. MLS baller. Tavares a bug. You don't care when the man says Tavares a bug. Tavares a shitbag, yeah?
Oh my goodness.
Tavares a garbage.
Tavares. Boy, oh boy, the man don't know. He from Buff.
Yo, the man can't defend him.
Yo, let me show you something. He still like come all up on the half turn. He's not even sure the man one way.
The man get beaten every time. Tavares a
Garbage truck. What's up?
We follow you on Instagram all the way from Orlando to Arsenal. We fucking follow you guys. We love you guys. One love always. Arsenal. Baby. Yes.
Respect.
Right, my dude. Thank you so much.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
happy you guys are here. I just heard Droops. Now I got to see you. He was over there.
Where is he? Brother, look how long.
Yo,
Look, fear them.
my Chargy, my dog, my
brother.
Yo, and the big man, you know, yeah? Who is time? My dog. Fuck you, me. Jamaica, so the warrior and the dog, and the big man, you know.
And this was the moment that I knew that this Rastaman is going to be everywhere that I was and in every picture that I took. Big up yourself anywhere there, Rastaman.
And the big man, you know. We there, Jamaica.
Obama who?
Obama what?
Obama de Abasa.
Obama blood clot, yeah, we mean. My family, you know, Jamaica, we say.
Big up yourself.
Trust me, my Chargy, yeah.
My brother, yeah. Yo.
Think him gone though? No, him not gone nowhere. Him there again. You think him gone? Where am I gonna go? Nowhere.
I'm a dog and a blood clot boss.
Zinchenko, you need to go on the field for Tavares right now. Zinchenko, one love.
People, let me tell you something about this Rastaman. This Rastaman is godly. This Rastaman is omnipresent. This Rastaman knows everywhere and anything that I am doing at this stadium. I cannot fathom how he managed to find me at these intricate moments. It's unbelievable. Big up yourself again, Rastaman.
Love from Jamaica.
They leave all your back up take Tavares game quick. Quick.
I don't know who tell him get here, say him have touch, you know. Man just believe say him have touch all of a sudden. Spank it, Bug! Bug! Bumbo cloud, sell him!
Somebody sell that dog shit.
Dead body, you know. Bumbo Ross.
Yo! I'm pussy wall. Come on for the bumbo clap. Feel like idiot, boy. Man is a kick on the blood clot ball.
Let's fucking go! Let's go!
I'm gonna catch it. So we're there Saturday again. I beat up Chelsea. Go on,